Hi, it's Adam here from Music Radar. Today in the studio I have the hotly anticipated MPC Key 61. This is a brand new standalone music production keyboard from Akai. Let's jump in and have a quick overview of some of its features and listen to how it sounds. The MPC Key 61 is a new workstation keyboard from Akai. It combines the legendary MPC hardware and workflow with a 5-octave semi-weighted keyboard. It can be used completely standalone with its built-in sequencer, or connected to your existing DAW setup using the included MPC2 desktop software. The MPC Key 61 comes loaded with 25 cutting-edge instrument plugins, which run on a quad-core ARM processor with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. You can get hands-on control over all this power with a wealth of buttons, transport controls, an assignable touch strip controller and Q-Link knobs. The centre of the keyboard also features a 7-inch colour touchscreen with multi-touch, making navigating menus and adjusting parameters a breeze. And of course, there are 16 RGB velocity-sensitive MPC drum pads for classic MPC finger drumming and sampling. At the back you'll find lots of professional connection options. 2 combination XLR 1/4-inch inputs with built-in preamps allow you to record audio in. 4 jack outputs plus a headphone out get the audio out, and there are MIDI in and outs, foot pedal jacks, and even 8 CV gate jacks for integration into a modular system. The unit also has built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let's have a listen to just a few of the built-in sounds, which cover everything from acoustic instruments to modern synth sounds. The MPC Key 61 is available now. Look out for our review on Music Radar and head to akaipro.com for all the official details.